Hey, do you want to come clean my depression shower with me? Yep, you heard me right. I did say depression shower. One of the lesser talked about symptoms of severe depression is messiness. Or not really messiness, but just the inability to keep up with everyday chores. A lot of people struggle with their bedrooms, but I struggled with my shower. I put it off for way too long. Like a year or maybe longer. And then when it started getting really bad, the amount of energy that it was going to take to clean it got bigger and bigger. So I put it off for even longer. And a lot of you guys have been asking if I actually showered in here when it was this dirty. Answer is yes, I did. I would just get in and stand in this little clean spot in the middle and not move from that spot. Some of you guys might say that's gross, but that's just the reality of what it's like for so many people living with a mental illness. So if you go to somebody's house and their shower or their bedroom, their wherever is super dirty, instead of judging them and thinking that they're lazy, maybe stop to consider that they could be struggling with something. And if you're one of those people like me who's currently struggling with something, check out the comments on this video and the 6 parts that came before it. Everyone has been so kind, encouraging, and helpful. Like seriously, by the end of this series, I think I'm going to be an expert on shower cleaning. So thank you guys so much. I don't even know how to put into words how thankful I am. That's all I have for you guys today, but this process is definitely not over, so hit that follow button so you can see the rest of my journey.